Come in. Hello. Apa kabar? Today we're going to cook you a very popular dish or recipe called Chilli Con Carne, which comes from Mexico. We will cook it our way, which is super style, and see what you think. There are over 1,000 different variations of this particular dish, so join us, come with us, and have a look and see what you think. Give us your comments. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Okay, so these are our ingredients. We have garlic, chili powder, cumin, Scotch Bonnet, very hot chilies, we only use one, pepper, coriander, oregano, chipotle paste. There's the beef. We use about 10% beef, 10% fat. Then we have the mixed beans. We have chorizo sausage. We have beef stock, sea salt, chopped tomatoes, tomato paste, red peppers, and onions. And that's it. Whilst you're doing this, what you can do is chorizo sausage, which is also very important for this dish. We're going to cook that off. Now the beef's beginning to brown. Actually, chili is very easy to cook. It's just a matter of getting everything in the pot and then just leaving it and let it cook on its own for as long as you need. And we have different kinds of chili. We'll be doing a chicken chili soon with white beans, which will be very nice, something different. And we're going to do a vegetarian chili, which is made with corn, Q-U-O-R-N.
So how long you will cook this?
Until it's brown, yeah? So you see the red go. What we'll do now is add a little bit of chili powder. We'll put half, okay, we'll put it all in, why not? We'll put in the Grim Reaper. This is coming, Cumin. Alright, the beef is sufficiently browned. We've added some of the hot spices. Now we're going to add tomato paste, approximately 3 tablespoons. We're going to put in about 300 ml of stock, which is beef stock. Organic. We'll put in the chipotle, 1 teaspoon. If you want a bit, why not? Chipotle is very good if you can get it. Made from Mexican spices and herbs. In fact, it's got onion, tomato, balsamic vinegar, garlic puree, rapeseed, smoked paprika, chipotle chili powder, cumin powder. So it's really good. I'm not sure if it's organic, but it's the only version we could find. I'm going to leave that for approximately 30 minutes, but I'll come back every 10 minutes to check that it's doing okay. In the meantime, I'll have a quick slurp. Thank you, Clive. Okay, so this has been going for around 30 minutes. So what we're going to do for the last 10 minutes is add the beans. You can put black beans, you can put white beans, you can put kidney beans. I put mixed beans. So it doesn't really matter. Again, personal preference. Excuse me. Pedes.
Good.
In fact, very pedes. What we can do is add a little bit more salt. Wait a minute, Clive. Here we go. A bit more salt. So we've now added the beans, and we'll give it another 10 minutes, and then that'll be it. And we'll have it with many yummy accompaniments, including soft tortilla chips, guacamole, sour cream, cheddar cheese, of course rice, steamed rice. Okay folks, so we'll be back with you soon. Okay folks, so here we go. This is the end product. We've got the chili con carne with the soft tortilla, topped with the cheddar cheese, sour cream, and we've got guacamole and rice cooked in chicken stock with a bit of turmeric to give colour. Okay folks, that's a wrap. Hope you enjoyed the recipe and the cookout, and if you like what you've seen, just subscribe and press the like button if you could, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you.